This is my kick and this is my bass without sidechain. Now let's turn on sidechain for the bass. And by standard it's set to 1/4, so it hits here on every kick, but it doesn't hit on the other kicks here. So let's see, this will work fine and this will clash. So how do I make it that each time that the kick hits, my bass here is sidechained with the audio? Because right now, audio like this, it doesn't do anything. See, it is not re-triggered. So how we do this? On my kick channel, I'm going to right click and sidechain to this track. So then I click on bass once again. If my Kickstart here on audio, click here on this cog icon, then once again on this icon, go here to processing and sidechain, make sure it is turned down, right click and find the kick. Now back to our plugin, you should see it tucking whenever we hit the kick, also when it is outside this 1/4. And this way you have perfect sidechain.